Did you get a scary notice from the IRS? What should you do if you receive an information document request from the IRS for your ERC business grant? Well, look, the Employee Retention Credit, or ERC, is a big deal. You may be entitled to a massive credit for each of your employees you kept on the payroll in 2020 and 21. Consider even a small employer with just under 500 employees may have a claim worth around $20 million. So this has attracted the attention of the IRS, which has put processes in place to attempt to ensure ERC business grants have been filed properly. Having to give back an ERC refund can be devastating to any business, so it's vital to make sure your claim is protected and secure. Now, if you filed a claim or you're still thinking of filing a claim, this video is a must watch until the end. So right now, employers across the country are getting IRS notices known as Information Document Requests, IDRs, requesting additional information about their Employee Retention Credit refund claims. Now, before you panic, understand the IRS is auditing claims both for reasons and also randomly. So there might be not cause for alarm just yet. And in this video, I will show you how to make your claim bulletproof, whether you filed a claim or are still considering one. ERC refund claims can be so massive that there's a palpable, meaningful incentive for fraudulent or erroneous claims. Some payroll companies and ERC outfits just assumed all their clients qualified and submitted claims with just a few clicks of a button. Now, this doesn't mean your claim is going to be rejected and you have to give all that money back that you might not have anymore, but it does mean that proper support may have to be developed. So what is the Employee Retention Credit? The Employer Retention Credit is intended to help businesses that were able to hang on to their employees during the pandemic and didn't lay them all off. A general rule is if you took a Paycheck Protection Program or PPP loan and you kept your employees on, or at least many of your employees on, chances are your business qualifies for the ERC. Yet the original rule was the opposite. You couldn't make an ERC claim if you made a PPP claim. But again, that is no longer the case. Yet confusion still abounds. So now, how do you make an ERC claim? You make an ERC claim by amending your Form 941 for your eligible tax quarters in 2020 and 21. Here's the trick. 2021 credits are quite lucrative, up to $27,000 per employee. So how do you prepare for an ERC audit or respond to an ERC document request? This is usually what the IRS is looking for in an audit of an ERC filing. Number one, they want a list of the employees and owners and related parties. Biggest problem is people aren't excluding owner wages and all related owners. Number two, they want payroll logs and journals. Number three, previously filed tax forms for income tax and original 941s and amended 941Xs. 4, notice of suspension of operations during the pandemic period. There's online databases for this. 5, gross receipts for 2019, 2020, and 21. 6, PPP application and loan forgiveness application. 7, evidence that wages were paid for not working. Now, this is only for large employees. Over 500 employees, if you have under 500, you don't have to worry about this one. Number 8, documentation of healthcare expenses if that was part of your application. 9, the aggregation rule. Take all companies owned by the owner. Aggregation could hurt or help you. Number 10, copies of Form 7200 if any advance payments were made. Now, what to do if you're worried that your ERC claim isn't all that legitimate? What to do if you are unsure if you can file a claim still? The answer, get legal help. Hire a tax attorney to perform an investigation and to draft an ERC opinion letter on your current or potential claim. The ERC program is still open, but will close the first half of 2024, and the claims can really make or break many businesses. Now, if you're concerned about your ERC refund or missing out on an ERC claim, simply send an email to erc@irsmedic.com and tell us what's going on. We are a law firm, so this communication is protected by the attorney-client privilege, even if we decide our firm isn't a great fit for you. This is Anthony Parent of Parent & Parent, IRS Medic. I want to thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe and turn on your notifications so you won't miss us when we go live. Thanks for watching.